Hey there, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the book of Ephesians, chapters 1 to 6, a powerful letter that's often seen as a favorite in the New Testament. Written by the Apostle Paul, Ephesians is like an ancient roadmap for living a life that reflects God's grace and love. So what makes this letter so compelling? Let's break it down. Right from the start in chapter 1, we get this deep dive into spiritual blessings. Paul wants us to know we've been chosen by God, even before the world's foundation, to be holy and blameless in love. 1:4. It's like he's saying, you belong and you're cherished, which is pretty awesome if you ask me. Then in chapter 2, Paul reminds us of transformation. He paints a picture of our past lives, disconnected from God, and how Jesus bridges that gap. This chapter emphasizes grace, a gift we didn't earn but are freely given. Verse 8 is key. For by grace you have been saved, through faith. It is the gift of God. Moving on to chapter 3, we see Paul's mission revealed. He unveils his role in sharing the mystery of Christ, that now through Jesus, everyone, Jew and Gentile alike, can access God. It's a radical unity that transforms relationships and communities. In chapter 4, Paul gets practical. He calls us to live worthy of our calling with humility, patience, and love, striving to maintain unity. Verses 15 to 16 talk about growing up in every way into Christ. It's about maturity and how every part of the body, that's us, has a role to play. Chapter 5 kicks off with a call to imitate God and live in love, steering clear of darkness, choosing instead to walk as children of light. Verses 22 through 33 discuss marriage, highlighting mutual respect and love, echoing how Christ loves the church.
Finally, chapter 6 coils around the idea of spiritual armor. Paul likens our spiritual preparation to putting on armor, truth, righteousness, and faith, equipping us to stand firm against life's challenges. Verse 12 is iconic. Our struggle is not against flesh and blood, but against the powers of this dark world. And there you have it, a summary that shows Ephesians isn't just about theology, but about real life. Keep digging into these chapters and see how they resonate with your journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.